Hello, this is my oral presentation for English Level 2. 1. My presentation. 2. Talk about my experience in Buga. 3. The weather in Buga. 4. Recommendation if you go to Buga. My presentation. This is my presentation. I am Emilia Rocio Buchelli. I was born in Peñón Nariño. I am studying agronomy. I like music, war, rap. Last weekend I went to the city of Boo, a beautiful place and good weather. I stayed there 3 days and went with my family. I like to this place because were many trees and animals, and the people were very friendly, and there were many places to visit. For example, the tour, the part of the iguanas. The weather in Buga. The climate of Buga is sunny, and in the afternoon is usually windy. The weather is very nice and that makes this place cool. Recommendation. 1. It is recommended that people use protection. 2. It is important to visit the parks. It is important to visit the sanctuary. 3. It is recommended to visit the parts of this beautiful place. 4. It is important to carry personal documents. 5. It is recommended to bring water to hydrate. 6. It is recommended to bring cash. 7. It is important to wear proper clothes. 8. It is recommended to eat the delicious chocolate. What should you do? People should think of about the place is climate, food and tourist sites. What should not do? People should not go to dangerous places, like for example, the river. Should not take the animals from the park. Thank you.